This is the second part of chapter R environment. So in this part we will discuss about how the garbage is managed, or how the garbage is converted into less polluted waste. So household waste is known as garbage. Some of the garbage is biodegradable, that is, it may be decomposed into simpler form easily, and some of them are non biodegradable. So garbage cause pollution of air, water and soil simultaneously. Suppose we burn our garbage, then it will create pollution in air. If we throw our garbage in open area, then it will create the pollution in soil, and it may be mixed with our drinking water, so water pollution can be there. So we have to dispose the garbage properly, otherwise it will very it will create some dangerous effect in our environment. Some of the method for garbage disposal are landfills, recycling, production of biogas, manure, preparation of compost, incineration and sewage treatment. So here we can see first one is landfills. These are the large land area only reserved for disposing or dumping of the garbage, and landfills are situated very far away from city area, or the area where person lives. In this landfill, the garbage is selected out into recyclable, or we can say decomposable substance, or non decomposable, or biodegradable or non biodegradable. And next is recycling. In recycling, the waste is recycled, or we can say it is converted into another product, means paper recycling can be there, and some other substance can be recycled. So in recycling, waste or garbage is selected to convert into next convertible form. Some biodegradable substances can be used for decomposition, or can be used for production of biogas and manure. Suppose cow dung and other human excreta and other waste, vegetable waste, or other plant waste can be used for the production of biogas. In biogas plant, these waste are input or feed up as a raw material, and here decomposition will take place and production of biogas will be there. Next, preparation and composting. In this method, the waste is placed deep under the soil surface, where microbes are present, which will decompose into manure, or we can say formation of manure will be there. Inclination are the large chambers in which the waste is heated, or we can say burned out into less toxic product. So inclination simply refer burning, or in inclination the waste is cut off into several pieces, so that burning will be effectively. Next is sewage treatment. Sewage treatment is a very effective method for the waste that is disposed of from our household. So in sewage treatment, we can see in the slide household waste and some domestic waste as well as some industrial waste is collected in sewage. So during sewage treatment, there are three steps: primary treatment, secondary treatment and tertiary treatment. In primary treatment, the waste is filtered out, and sedimentation will be there, means human excreta or solid waste is filtered out with the process of filtration, and then this water will kept in settling tank for 12 to 24 hours. The particles that has tendency to settle down will be settle down at the or precipitate at the bottom area. So these two steps comes under single heading physical treatment. So in physical treatment or sewage treatment, the physical waste is removed out with the help of filtration method, or we can use the sedimentation method or precipitation method. Then next, after primary treatment, secondary treatment will start. In secondary treatment, the water after filtration and after sedimentation is put up into the chemical biological chamber, where decomposition and fermentation will take place. And further, after secondary treatment, this water will be moved towards tertiary treatment. Here some chemical chlorine and UV light is used for killing the microbes and bacteria present in water. Now this sewage water can be easily disposed of into running river, and it will create very less toxicity, or it will create very less pollution in the environment. So I am just reading this slide. Sewage system is further passed into screening system, where solid particles are filtered out. Then this will pass into primary sedimentation tank, where solid particle will sediment. The liquid will move towards aeration tank, and here aeration tank decomposition reaction, or you can say biological treatment, will start. And further final settling tank. In final settling tank, the waste is settled out, and further recycled water is can be used for agriculture, for irrigation purposes, and it can be used for further you can say chlorine treatment. After chlorine treatment, it can be used for domestic non-drinking purposes. Means this water cannot be drink, but it can be used for non drinking purposes, domestic reuse, or sometime industry can be use this water, or agriculture use can be there, or simply we can dispose of this water after primary, secondary and tertiary treatment into the we can say river system. So this is all about in today's lecture.